Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are happy and doing well today. Today, I am going to talk about something very special. It is about my family and my family members. And at the same time, we will learn English together. This lesson is very easy, so relax, listen carefully, and try to speak with me. You can repeat after me to improve your English. About my family. I have a small and happy family. My family is the most important part of my life. I love my family very much. There are 4 members in my family. We live together in peace and happiness. We always support each other. My family gives me love, care, and strength. You can also use these sentences to talk about your family in English. My father. Let me tell you about my father. Please listen and repeat after me. My father is a very honest and hard-working man. He works every day to support our family. He wakes up early in the morning. He goes to work and comes back home tired. But he always has a smile on his face. He teaches me many good things. He teaches me to be honest, kind, and strong. He always says, work hard and never give up. I respect my father very much. He is my hero. You can practice these sentences to improve your speaking.
My mother. Now, let me talk about my mother. Try to speak with me. My mother is the heart of our family. She is very kind, loving, and caring. She takes care of everyone in the house. She cooks delicious food for us. She helps me when I have problems. She always understands me. When I feel sad, she makes me happy. When I feel tired, she gives me comfort. I love my mother more than anything. She is very special to me. These are very useful sentences for daily English. My sister. Now let me talk about my sister. Listen and repeat. I have a sister. She is very cute, sweet, and lovely. She brings happiness to my life. When I see her smile, I feel very happy. She likes to play and laugh. Sometimes she talks in a funny way. Sometimes she makes little mistakes, but it is very sweet. I love spending time with my sister. She is a blessing in my life. You can use these sentences to describe your family members. Our daily life. In our daily life, we do many things together. Let's practice these sentences together. In the morning, we wake up early. We start our day with simple work. We eat breakfast together. We talk about our plans for the day. In the evening, we spend time together. We sit and talk. We share our feelings. Sometimes we watch TV together. Sometimes we go outside for a walk. These small moments make our life beautiful. And these sentences help you speak English in daily life.
Family love and support. My family always supports me. They help me in every situation. They always listen to me carefully. They understand my feelings. When I have a problem, they stand beside me. They never leave me alone in difficult times. They try to solve my problems with me. When I feel weak, they give me strength. They encourage me to do better. They give me hope and confidence. My family teaches me good values. They teach me respect, love, and patience. They guide me to choose the right path. They help me become a better person.
Because of my family, I feel strong and confident. I feel safe and happy with them. I am lucky to have such a loving family. You can practice these sentences to express your feelings in English. Why family is important. Family is very important in our life. Family is our first school. We learn many things from our family. Family gives us love. Family gives us support. Family gives us happiness. Family gives us care and protection. Money can come and go. But family always stays with us. Family is always with us in good and bad times. So we should always love and respect our family members. We should take care of our family. We should spend time with them. These sentences are very helpful for speaking practice.
So, my dear friends, this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this simple lesson about family. I also hope you learned some easy and useful English sentences today. I hope this video helps you speak English more confidently. Try to remember these sentences and use them in your daily life. Remember, family is the most valuable gift in our life. We may be busy every day, we may have many problems, but our family is always there for us. They are the reason for our smile and happiness. They support us, they love us, and they never leave us alone. They always stand by our side in every situation. Their love gives us strength to move forward. So please, always respect your parents, always care for your family, and always try to spend some time with them. Talk to them, listen to them, and understand them. Make your family feel special every day. Because one day, you will realize that these small moments are the most beautiful memories of your life. These memories will stay with you forever. And for English practice, don't worry about making mistakes. Speak simple English every day. Try to repeat this lesson again and again. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. Speak slowly and clearly. Use these sentences in your real life. Don't be afraid to speak in front of others. Confidence comes with practice. Step by step, you will improve. Believe in yourself. You can do it. Keep learning and keep practicing every day. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Smooth English Talks. Share this video with your friends and family. Support my channel to learn more easy and daily English. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and your family. Stay happy and keep smiling. See you in the next video. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.